to everyone, I wasn't here for a long time, but I came back with a new video. Halloween is coming soon and I have decided to make something original for you. In this tutorial I will learn how to make no-face brooch from the cartoon Spirited Away. Also, I would like to invite you to my second YouTube channel Gilda Kids, where I show simple and interesting ideas for kids. The link will be displayed on the screen and below the video. Please subscribe, write comments and put a thumbs up. So, let's start! Write to me in the comments, did you saw an anime cartoon Spirited Away and which character is your favorite? You can watch the spider brooch tutorial on my channel Gilda Kids, the link will be in the description below. Well, that's all, have an amazing day, bye bye!